Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Windows 11 sleep option missing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a control panel. Go to your control panel, click on a small icon. After doing this step, select power options. After doing this step, select choose what the power button do. Click on change settings that are currently available. After doing this step, uh, check it as sleep option and click on a save button. Close it. And after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening a command prompt, type a command is power cfg space dash restore default scheme and press enter. After doing this step, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box, type device manager, open a device manager. After doing this test, select a display adapter, select it, right click and click on update driver. Select a search automatically for drivers. After doing this test, select a search from updated driver on Windows Update. Click on it. Now, after doing this step, close it, and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that open a device manager, select a display adapter, select a adapter, right click on update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. After doing this, I select a display adapter, click on next button. After doing this, I close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a fifth method. The fifth method is that in the search box type a msconfig and open a system configuration. Go to your services, click on hide all my Microsoft services, and after doing this, click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and restart your computer. So after restarting your computer, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.